Good morning everyone, this is my new video coming in for today. We are in 30 of September. So the whole idea today and all the discussion and all the noise is about the government shutdown, right? The Democrats are fighting with Republicans, Republicans are fighting with the Democrats, and nothing is working so far. But this is very important area because we kind of got a lot of information and we didn't move much. We are here, right? We got Monday overnight futures going up, then we corrected, and then we kind of like just waited for this situation with the government shutdown and just range trading for like 15 points. This is crazy. So big move will come after this one. Also, we are pretty sure right now that the government will shut down, right? So that means we should have gone down and we're not. So this, in my interpretation, for the moment, without any other information, is bullish. We did defend this level, so now we're waiting. What I think it can happen, and I think we can go to this one, it's actually the futures, but it's a bit clear. What I think it could happen right now is we either went into a few days of government shutdown. It happened before, it's not the end of the world, and then they kind of find a way and fix it and sign it and approve it. Okay, so this should help us in the near term. That's why I think just the market doesn't believe. It's something to take into consideration. That's the whole idea. We do have uncertainty, but we're not in a situation where no matter what happens, it's going down hard, because some bad things are going to happen. It could happen if we delay and stay shut down for, I don't know, a few weeks maybe, right? So, but what I'm trying to say is the market doesn't believe them. Okay, so the market is thinking just like the tariffs. It looks a bit like the tariff situation in February, for example. Trump he was saying all day long that he's going to put tariffs, and the market didn't believe it. So it didn't correct until was like a big proof that tariffs were coming. Okay, then Bitcoin corrected a bit. I think this one, just like I've said yesterday, it is a resistance for now. Support is 112k. So probably same thing with the government shutdown, just ranging through these levels. I do think that having a government shutdown should help Bitcoin. That's my personal opinion, not in any way a recommendation or something. Okay, Euro just moved for the last 15 minutes, so I'm going to say what I wanted, and I was thinking that this level is a big resistance, right? 1.175. So this I think it's a big resistance. This is something that's going all the way to daily, and I think this is just the big part of the small downtrend that is forming, right? And I do think we're going to see 1.16, no matter what the government is doing. So this should continue at least until this level, if you can see it, 1.166. Okay. What I think it's interesting and very nice today, because this is a stock that I like, and in no way, neither this video or this stock is any recommendation to buy or sell. Just do your own research and do not do anything I say on this video. But the CoreWeave is jumping 10% today. It started, I think it's going to see, yeah, like this. It started with this news here. This is just new, it's breaking news. And it says that CoreWeave stocks climb 8% after company lands 14 billion deal with Meta, right? So popping, it's now 10% trading because they are buying from CoreWeave computing infrastructures about about 14 billion, right? So this is a story developing, but I do like this company. I have to say it's not cheap, but you know, anything that's cheap is probably not good also. So this is not good because you don't see it, but this, it looks like this, about 10%. This is a artificial intelligence play. This is very important because they also have the deal, if you remember, with Nvidia. So now it's Meta. This is, I think it's a big deal. On daily looks like this. So probably, you know, tested for a few days this level, important level 120, and now going up. We'll see. 9.6 at the moment. We are 15 minutes away for the market open by the time I'm doing this video. Okay, going a bit faster because it is a very important day. We will get jolts today, so 4 signs of jobs. Nasdaq is again at the same range, 2 days without much move. Nvidia, very close, Nvidia to break the all-time high, right? This is an important range, important resistance. Maybe it breaks the all-time high. Now Microsoft, the same thing. Meta close to support, not doing much. Microsoft also not doing much in pre-market. Google the same, just at the support. Wanted to show you Tesla exactly at the resistance. Of course, it's not all-time high, but it is already in this week. If we close just a bit above this level, already the best weekly close ever. I do have, no, it's above, and already today is the last day of the month. Already, if we close just here, it's the best monthly close ever. So very nice for Tesla and Elon Musk. Amazon support. Oracle, I've already told you I'm expecting this area to get hit probably. I think it's crazy if we get there. I will be a buyer here. Not a recommendation, don't trust anyone you hear on the internet. I'm just telling how I see things. Quantum, some correction, especially in IonQ. Already I would say 20% from the top. So of course it almost doubled in September. So it is decent correction. Duolingo having some good days after huge drops. I do think we have a chance if we get a very good quarter and a nice conference call. I do insist that we need more confidence in the conference call about the future, about the new products developing, because you know, languages probably are not enough, and a lot of things are coming in languages, especially from Google, even from ChatGPT, from OpenAI. So this will be a very hard battle. So again, we're back into the government shutdown. There will be a few days a bit crazy. I'm not sure if they vote today. I listen to everything they have to say, both parties. I think they both, you know, playing politics. So I think even if we shut down, maybe we sell off a bit, maybe gold climbs higher. Forget it to talk about gold, actually. I will have to open it. I think will be here. Well, no, I think it's easier to find it on the futures contracts. So I don't see it. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm going too fast. Okay, so this is very important. I think I did a short a few hours ago. This was quite a sell, and it happened on the future. This is the future, right about 3,900, 3,900. Okay, and it sell about $80. So that's something, because everybody's buying gold. So whoever sold here took some really nice profits. It happened a bit like here, just the candle was different, but so you may expect a bit of pressure on gold. So I think this is important, and you know, it's pretty crowded trade. I would say this. It's pretty crowded there. Not gonna say it's changing the trend. Not gonna say this was the absolute historic top, but it looks kind of crazy, to be honest. But you know, supply and demand. So and what I would point out, very important, is the fact that gold is selling off so hard. I know it doesn't look like that, but when you're a participant in the market, you see these things as strange. Yeah, I can say about the volume too, but not really crazy volume just on this platform. Can't say if it's real or not. So what I'm trying to say here, this is on this government shutdown, somebody took profits, okay, and the sells was different than, you know, like going slowly up. Like this was just selling for a few hours. I think it was a few hours. Yes, 4 hours. So watch gold. There's very crowded trade. Everybody's long gold. Everybody's on margin on gold. So careful. All right. Thank you very much. Remember, this is not in any way a recommendation. This is just an educational video. Do not do anything I've said, or I may do the things I've said. I may not do the things I've said I will. It all depends on everyone, right? As you all know. But do not consider this a recommendation or something to just buy or sell this type of instruments. Okay, have a good day and a good week, and hopefully we could avoid the government shutdown.